Hello everyone and welcome to our video on how to start Swiss chard from seeds. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making it a great addition to any garden. Today, we'll be showing you the step-by-step process of starting organic Swiss chard from seeds in your garden, so you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce in no time. First and foremost, it is essential to start with high-quality Swiss chard seeds. The quality of the seeds plays a crucial role in ensuring a successful germination process, saving time and effort in the long run. Remember, Swiss chard seeds tend to cluster together, so when planting them, be sure to provide ample space between each seed to allow for proper growth and development. In addition to quality seeds, another essential component for growing Swiss chard is composted chicken manure. This natural organic fertilizer provides numerous benefits to your garden. Composted chicken manure is rich in essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for healthy plant growth. When added to the soil, composted chicken manure helps improve soil structure and water retention, creating a fertile environment for Swiss chard to thrive. Select a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Swiss chard thrives in full sunlight. Using your finger or a small garden tool, create shallow furrows in the soil. These furrows should be about ½ an inch deep and spaced about 12 inches apart. To ensure the optimal growth of your Swiss chard, make sure to evenly distribute the composted chicken manure throughout the furrow. By doing so, you are giving your plants the essential nutrients they need to thrive. As the chard absorbs these nutrients, it will transform into a vibrant and healthy crop, with each leaf packed full of vitamins and minerals. With this simple yet effective technique, you can enjoy a plentiful harvest of Swiss chard that is not only visually appealing but also incredibly nutritious. Before sowing the seeds, take the time to thoroughly mix the composted chicken manure with the soil. This small but crucial step can make a significant difference in the growth and vitality of your chard. Now, it's time to plant your seeds. Simply sprinkle the seeds evenly over the soil. When planting Swiss chard seeds, remember to provide ample space between each cluster. This allows each seedling to establish its roots without competition, promoting healthy growth. Once you have planted your Swiss chard seeds, it's time to give them a nutritious boost with composted chicken manure. This natural fertilizer will sustain your plants throughout the growing season. Add a thin layer of composted chicken manure over your Swiss chard seeds. This layer will provide a steady release of nutrients as the plants grow. As the Swiss chard seedlings emerge and grow, they'll benefit from the rich nutrients in the composted chicken manure, promoting strong root development and lush foliage. After covering the seeds with soil, pat it down lightly to ensure good seeds to soil contact. This step is crucial for successful germination as it helps the seeds establish a strong connection with the soil, allowing for better absorption of nutrients and moisture. Water the newly planted seeds thoroughly but gently to settle the soil around them. This simple act of watering is crucial in providing the seeds with the necessary conditions for germination and growth. It is important to keep the soil consistently moist to support the seeds as they begin to sprout and develop into strong plants. Be sure to monitor the moisture levels regularly and adjust your watering schedule as needed to ensure that the seeds are receiving the right amount of water. By taking care to water your seeds properly, you are giving them the best chance at thriving and flourishing in their new home. And there you have it, a simple and rewarding way to grow your own Swiss chard from seeds in your garden. As the seeds germinate and grow into seedlings, thin them out to maintain a spacing of 6 inches between each plant. This allows the remaining seedlings to develop and receive ample nutrients and sunlight. In just a few weeks, your Swiss chard plants will mature, and you can begin harvesting the outer leaves for fresh, nutrient-packed additions to your meals. Harvest regularly to encourage continuous growth. I hope this step-by-step guide will inspire you to embark on the rewarding journey of growing organic Swiss chard and reaping its numerous benefits. If you found this video helpful and informative, we encourage you to show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Remember, taking small steps towards a more sustainable lifestyle can make a huge impact. Don't be afraid to try new things and get your hands dirty in the garden. So go ahead and start growing your own organic Swiss chard today. Happy gardening!